So here's my dilemma. I feel like I have to be a snake tamer to get into my own butter box. This is a real annoyance because I love butter. It's absolutely impossible to open the butter package without absolutely ripping everything apart. Like, look at this. What kind of packaging is this? I can't get into this. This isn't a... So here I am, buttering my toast. Welcome back to Baking with Simon. Where today we're gonna spread our toast on... Wow, this is some burnt toast. But you know what? That's okay because the more butter you add, the more love, the more love and care that you're gonna taste. And that's what's important. So I had a dream that I was trying to play a flute and get the get the butter to come out of the butter package. So actually, I have a canvas and we're gonna paint it. So please guys, join me on my journey as I paint the butter snake. Today's painting is using a lot of imagination, so I'm gonna need to get a good sketch down before I can even touch any paint. And as I mentioned earlier, I think there would be no better way than to portray the snake immersing from a brick of butter, a lactantia brick of butter to be exact. And not to have this confused with your average margarine snake, this is indeed a butter snake.
We're all butter lovers.
I've purchased some liquid gold. Not really. It's gold paint, but I'm not too confident in it, so we're gonna see how it turns out after it's dried. I'm so surprised at how much this looks like an actual butter wrapper. Now it's time for me to start enhancing all of those details with a black Sharpie marker. Now I know what some of you may be wondering, and yes, it is a salted brick of butter. We made it through. We are here. The journey was made. This one's straight out of my imagination. I don't know where I came up with this, but here is our butter snake, cobra, snake, worm thing. I'm really impressed with the gold paint. I'm gonna be honest, I did not think that it was gonna be as gold as it came out, but I gotta be honest with you, it looks pretty darn close. I don't have a, oh I do. I do have a, so this is what we were working with. It's, okay, so it's not the same shade, but it's a very like, can you see that? Mm-hmm. The shine? Yeah, there's a cool shine to it. So a really cool effect on the butter, and of course, there's the butter mill on the painting. So this is something super fun. I had a ton of fun doing this. I love painting from imagination, and all I can do is encourage you to do the same. Pick up a pencil, pick up a brush, just do something. Enjoy yourself. Thanks again for joining me on this episode. And as always, if you like this video, or maybe you just like butter like me, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, share them. We appreciate it. Next week, we have something super cool coming. I'm taking my paintings off canvas. That's right, we're going off canvas for these ones. And it's something started and I'm super excited for it. So come back, we'll see you next Tuesday.